my beautiful people. I greet you according to your time. How are you all doing, guys? Is your sister, your friend, Obidia TV. If today is your first time, please hit that red subscribe button, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. If you already are not subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you for your support. There is 3 different videos that someone sent to me. So now those 3 videos now I want to talk about today. The first one, now the one wey happen for Italy. For this hot seat where would they so? This hot time where would they so? This difficult situation where would they so? When government say make everybody stay indoor. Now our people still carry their 2 legs, go to church, they want go marry. Before I go talk about this one wey happen for Italy where they go marry, make una first see the video and I go come back.
Dai, no, quindi non ti può fare questo. Che sta per fotografie che sta, no? Che interesse
Se italiano c'è schifo. Italiano è vero il problema. Che schifo. Tutti quanti lo sai. See when I did that side, that man they drive them. Gaga, look me, Joe. Gaga. I big girl see the difference.
No, non puoi fare video qua.
Per favore.
No, video qua. Qua video no.
No, solo snappa.
Un video dentro no.
Foto.
Avete fatto una cosa illegale, no? Non possono fare.
Devi fare il matrimonio.
Non sapete che è illegale, perché lo fate, no? Dici che non video, perché non possono videare?
You know say today na guarda.
Quando comando mani, perché non devono videare? The video things, don't mind it.
Even though na virus, as na dey put ring, we supposed to snap am. Me more a picture where worry me lay life. Uncle, where you stand with your man? Cover my hand with precious blood of Jesus Christ.
Massimo, stop up front. Stay on me front. Brother, stay on me front.
Mama.
Okay, double your info.
Mama. Gaga.
Mommy Gaga the most beautiful. Wow, you're tired. Mama, we need
Jennifer body.
Mama, just do.
The words of Jennifer Big Nash. What of my favor, my darling?
My baby there.
You greet them for me, yeah?
No, I don't. Now my duty be there, Robin man. In a still blue.
I beg my brother come for road. I beg you.
Daddy, stay well. Daddy, wait.
Nearer, daddy, as you want enter.
Yes.
So it say you come for me just now. Oh, mommy, sorry. Mommy, mommy, come. Mommy, not verse, I beg. Mommy, say my. Mommy, show me your face. Mommy, show me your face. My mommy look beautiful. Okay, mommy. Okay, it's fine.
Hello, my people. Now me again, I don't come back. Una don't see the video where for social media so by fire by force marriage, by fire by force marriage, where happen for Italy. For this whole time where would they so? Now if person get mind, they go church just because say they want wed. Una see am? Hey, I don't know what they do some of our people. I don't know what they do some of our people. Nigeria people want to know they take something serious. This thing not be play oh. Wait till don't kill thousands of people. Government give una rules. Make una stay inside house. Be indoor. Una say no. He wa mamie. Wa we marriage say. Una pack, go church. Una wa go do marriage. They even carry children. Join body. No mask. No hand glove. Eh? How some people take the reason? How some of our Nigerian people take the reason? I don't understand. Now what for now? No, not take this thing easy now. Una know how many occasions where they postpone for this season where we dey so. So wait till come be una problem. Why una not postpone that marriage? Why una not postpone that marriage? Old mama na nyongi na day break reach where you dey. Where your mates don't they carry great grandchildren. Now you want hurry up, disobey law, go marry. Eh? Una go even see the man self. He be like person where they force. The man no smile, nothing. Eh? Then they hurry up, they put ring. Then they even they say, make una take picture. Una supposed to take picture. Put the hand there. Come baby yeah. Bring the ring, show the ring out. Do this one, do that one. Hurry marriage. Wait till be una problem. I know say na the woman. Now she want the marriage badly because it's show for her body. Or what show with boy vije? Where you dey? Where your mate they marry? Why be say now you want go do by fire by force marriage? To the point of disobeying the rules. Eh? Disobeying the law of the country where you dey. If they start to maltreat Nigeria people now, they go say Italian people, they don't they kill Nigeria, they don't know what in Nigeria do, they don't know this one. No. See what una they do. They not go come talk about it happen that time. What be una problem? What be una problem, Nigeria? Not be all of them. But those group of people will go that church, both the pastor, all of una. Shame. Now disgrace now una be. Una no follow life. No be who they alive, no be they marry. No be person where they life, no be in they marry. Wetin dey special about that marriage? Wo una no fit postpone. Now wetin I want no be that. Eh? When edede na we marriage 90 years e ga na hero we. Cause all gwa na kina. Eba we here bobe. Now you wake up. Now you know say you don't reach time we go take do marry when you don't already old. I'm not there against say you do marriage oh. My problem with you. Why be saying now this period? Why be so now no fit postpone that marriage? Now waiting me at the verse supposed to be that. Why una carry innocent children come out for this period? Go church just because so now one marry. Now that one na be the problem. Why? Eh? It's not good. The next one where I want talk about so now the one where happen for Africa where we for come make una see how police they deal with our people there just because they're not staying indoor as the government advice but una dey another person land una they do anyhow. It go sweet me if I hear say Italian government they deal with una very very well. It go sweet me for body because anyway. I hope Make they deal with una. Make they give una punishment wey una deserve. Cause na disgrace all of una be. Old couple. I beg my people, make we go back to the nest. Welcome back. I no support wetin dis policemen do to the owner of this shop. I know say they deserve all the punishment for disobeying the law. They say make everybody stay indoor. Na for una own good. Na person wey dey alive na dey make money. Which money you dey look for wey una no go fit stay at least for 1 week first? You still go open shop. Now see wetin they do to you. Destroy everything wey dey the shop. But our Nigeria police, una no dey try, sha? Una no dey try. No be so. Una for flog the owner of the shop. Flog am front and back. Close the shop. Even seize the key sef for now. Una go drive am enter house. Fear no go let am go open that shop if una no give am the key. That one for better pass this one. We una just destroy everything so. This one no good. Una know as our country be. Government no dey help them. If it be say borrow that money now, wey take open that shop, wey they pay every month, but una destroy everything, how you go take start? I know say why wetin they do no good, why they disobey the law, but una for not destroy this. This is wickedness, my people. Nigeria police, make una dey work with una brain. E do wa give le gbe ya tolo ma ya tolo no be as body take scratch person they take the scratch am. I know say na anger, but that una anger no good. That business will not destroy, so now family income be that. Una don't put them for more. That is this one now, coronavirus. This one go worse past coronavirus. The situation will not put them so. They not even get anything to say maybe after the coronavirus, may they resume work or business again. Una don't destroy them. Una not try Nigeria police. Not be like that. Not be like that. Other Europe country now, where they advise everybody, may they stay indoor. Government go support them. They go support their citizen. Because person when not go work, when not go business, he go eat. But our for Africa is not there like that. Sit down for house, sit down for house. Government, make una do something. Make una do something. Ha! Now, wow. I know, say the owner of the shop now, he go regret. I wish he know. I wish he do this one if for no open. But it's too late. I just hope, Sha, that after everything, may government, may they help their citizens, Nigeria, with things like that ever happen, where government will say, yeah, now our responsibility, let's help them in this situation where we did so. Western world, their government will support them. They are already debating on it, the country where me I did. How they go to assist people who stop work, people who stop business. Government must support them. Africa government una need to do the same thing. Nigeria una need to do the same thing for una citizen. For this period, they need help. And una need to help them. And my people, make una take this thing serious. Make una stay indoor. This thing not be play, oh. This thing don't destroy people. But a lot of people for Africa, they take them for granted. They say, Nigeria hot, Africa hot. They say the thing, not they withstand a hot thing. You know, they feel stand for a hot country. Make una prevent una self, oh. They say prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. I know, say, we not get all the equipment we are supposed to use to protect ourselves, like the mask, like the hand glove, like the hand sanitizer, all those things not there. But I hear say spirit good. Alcohol, kind ogogoro, it good. If not to use and bath before you come out. That is, if they still allow now, make una they come out to go buy something for your area or now they talk. Not be saying you go against the law of the country where you did now they talk. Use them, rub your body, bath with it. If you buy what you want, buy finish. Enter house. This time not be time to go discotheque. This time not be time to go beer parlor. This one not be time to poke nose for outside. To the visit person they go. No. This time not time to sit down for our house. Help government. Make we see if the people where they contact them, they go find solution, solution put so that this problem go end. Make we help the government, my people. Make we help the government. I beg. Now beg at the beg una. So my people, welcome back. Una don't see am. Government give order. Make una sit down for house. For una all good though. They say no. Now then serve God pass. Now then know God pass. God wanna they serve since how many years? If una not serve for this period now, una not be Christian be that. They disobey. They go church. Hey, those policemen really beat them. I wish say they beat them more self. I know say some of una now, but they look me, they say, this woman, it be like saying antichrist be. My sister, I know they against me person not go church. Oh. I know say me they not go church, no. But this period where we dey so, everybody, be you pastor, GO, father, what you they call them? Make una stay una house. Oyibo, we bring church to Africa. You see this period, so they respect the law of their country for this moment. So churches not they open. Oyibo close their church. Our Adaki church where even they here, they close them. May they try themselves now. For country where me and they close them. May they try themselves. 25,000 euro now be defined where they go find you if they catch you. 2 years in prison. May they dare themselves now. So they carry their leg, that they go church. I know they again say they go church. What be my problem? Why they go church for this period? They think say na play matter be this. Now when they talk, the Bible say we will trap upon scandal and Satan, and it will not hurt us. My sister, my brother, make una not use the word of God to play anyhow. What did that verse mean? If you trap upon scorpion and serpent unknowingly, if your heart clear, then you will not be hurt. Try yourself now. May they put poison for food, make you eat, and when you know, you go die through way. Christianity with brain. Make una they use una brain. Pastor, we say make una come church. If he said, a lot of them, they get a private jet. They get bodyguard. They get protection. even police wey dey beat una that day, they no go touch that pastor. If na the one wey don't belong, wey get money, they go even protect am. Now una go church pass. Make una respect the law of the country. Stay in your house, be indoor, do church inside, pray to God inside. God say where 2 or 3 are gathered, he says it's there in their midst. Why can't you pray with your family? We need the prayer now. Yeah, if una prayer they work, oh, because you don't take one and they pray, we know they see result. If na now you go work, pray for your house, pray with your family, pray with your wife, your husband, your children. You don't need to go to church for this period now. Make una help una self. Make una help una self. Western world where be say they get a lot of hospital, they short of bed for now because of people. Many people will contact this disease. They short of a bed. How much more Africa country where we know say bed we go dey one hospital, you no go reach 20 oxygen. You go some hospital, say they'll tell you say they don't get oxygen. People where they are don't critical for West now oxygen. Now they take they live 24/7. They on oxygen. Where una go say for Africa? Una not go use una brain. Una not go help una self. If you die, that day of your burial, that is if the pastor even see road take come out, or if you let him come out. Not be she go come give you the last sermon before you go to 6 feet. Now, if not, who go carry that body where this deadly virus key? None of your family fear go let them touch you. Make una help una self. It don't take one of the Christian history. Change in no day for that country. Now wicked pass. Now we call God pass. Now we get churches pass. Now we get pastors pass. But still, now that's the same our country, our continent, now evil full pass. What it be no problem? They say, he who get here, make it here. If you not like, oh, make una stay in door. If you not like, make una not stay. Person where die, what did they tell? Oh, may his soul rest in peace. If not better person, rest in peace. Now so he reach. Nothing more. So now what I just say, make I can't talk now be this one. My people, make una choke una mouth put for this matter. Make we hear our opinion. Make una drop am at the comment section. Anything where you think about this video, make you live and tell. I would really like it. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Share it. Let it go round. Okay? More advice. Let's advise our people. I know, say, a lot of them, they know, that is, if they enter their hair, they come out from the other side. Now it be. But we're not going to give up. Oh. We have to continue. And if there is anybody that know any other prevention, we go there easy for our people in Africa, I bet make una still write down for the comment section. Because for Africa, not be everybody go feed they buy that hand sanitizer or this mask. Even the mask now, I don't hear say some place they say na 10,000 naira. You understand? So some people say, people will not get money, you drink am 24/7. Morning, afternoon, make una they drink am. Because as they tell explain now, they say the thing, if they start with cough, catarrh, you understand? If they stay like 3 to 4 days for this place, before you go here, or this place, you understand? Before you go stomach, lungs, them. Before you go hook and where you go see them, not they feel they breathe again. So, no even wait, make you get cough and catarrh. Carry lime. Alimonege, lemon, ginger, turmeric. We get fresh one for Africa. Agio. Make una prepare them with other malaria medicine. Dogoyaro them. Make una prepare them. They drink them morning, night. Give your children. We know so they do for Africa now. That time where we they small, how many people they go buy medicine, they sick fever? Now just things like this. put am for pot, cook am well, they drink am. So if they helpful very, very well. More than they drink am for this period. And more than still pray to God. I know God go save us because He just they pay me, because if you not see the way where this thing they destroy people where you don't kill for Europe, how much more our country where be say we not get anything. Government not provide anything. So how we go test now? God go help us. They say heaven help those who help themselves. I beg, make una help una self. Make una help una self, my people. So now waiting, I just say make I can't talk with this. Now here this video go reach. I don't want me long pass as it did. So I beg my people, anybody that have anything to contribute to this very one, what our people back home can use for prevention or all those things. If you not get idea, anything can help. This one at time to put heads together to help people back home. Because if this thing should hit Africa the way it is right now in Europe, Africa will finish. Because we not get what it takes to save them from hospital. We not get enough doctor. We not get better hospital. No oxygen, no bed. Now my fear now be those. And not no money. Because no free hospital. So no money. So you see, if it even happen to the rich people, now those rich people, they go even attend to for hospital because they get the money. But with the poor people, we not get the money. So make we help ourselves. Stay house for now. Prepare all these things where I just talk. So malaria medicine, make una just the drink am. So now so it reach my people. Thank you everyone for watching. Please share this video, make it go round, my people. Leave your comments. Let hear your opinion about this matter. We really appreciate that. God bless you for watching. I appreciate it. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, please support me by hitting that red subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that anytime we put video like this, you will be notified. God bless you until I come your way again. I still remain your friend, your sister, Obidia TV. Bye.